friends, today I'm going to make a flower using origami paper. We start with a stem and I take a green paper and a long stick for it. Later I use the long stick to roll the green paper into the stem. After rolling, I use a little bit of glue and paste it. Now to make the leaves, I take a pair of scissors and origami paper. And this is how I cut the leaf. Later, I draw circles in color paper and cut them out. This is how I make the flower. I fold each circle into 4 and in the open side I cut. Just like that. Now I open it up and cut in the middle. And I do the same thing again. Now my stems are ready, my flowers are ready. Now as all our materials are ready, we can start making our final flower. So we take the big paper, apply glue in the middle, keep an yellow paper on top. Now fold yellow papers into 4, just like where you have cut it. And now paste glue on the tip and paste it to the yellow flower over there. And paste all the flowers like this. Later on top I paste the orange color paper. After finishing to paste all my flowers, I take the stem and I paste my flower to the stem. If you want, you may also add tape. Now I also attach my leaves to my stem. So that is how you make the flower. This flower is very simple and also looks very beautiful. I have made more of it also. Okay friends, end of the video. Bye bye. Happy learning.